back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your orders. Okay, so this is a scenario, this is the most common scenario that you'll be doing in your day-to-day operations on your OpenCart store. So a customer has made an order and you want to update like the order details and also uh, let the customer know the current stage of their order. So to do that, you need to switch to the cells, then click on the orders navigation item, and then you land on the orders list. Select one of the orders under the action. So click view, then you'll be able to see the order page. So on the order page, you scroll down to history and then add history. So when you add history here, it will actually show up under this section. So the first thing you need to do is to select the order status. So currently this order is being processed. So maybe let's say we need more information, or we are actually shipping it. Okay. So I can just click shipped as the new order status and then override. So for this override, you can see there's this help text where they say if the customer order is being blocked from changing the order status due to anti-fraud extension override. So when customers are making orders, OpenCart has different modules you can use to detect fraud. So when fraud is detected, the order in that case is normally blocked from changing the order status until there is a manual intervention. So you can just click this, enable this, so that you are able to override that check. And then there is the notify customer. So for this particular case, you want to alert the customer to know that, hey, your order is under this order status, so like it's shipped or we need more information. So it's good to notify, but in case maybe you don't want to notify the customer, you don't need to enable it. So in this case I just enable it. And then there's the comment. So the comment is also optional, and it helps to tell the customer what's going on. And I think it's also important for future auditing if you really want to know like what was going on. For example, if an order has something like reversed or refunded, you want to put some note here like this is the reason why this order was being refunded and such. Okay, so if it's for shipped, maybe you can tell the customer, hey, uh, this is the code, the shipping code. Okay, so they will be able to use the shipping code to do what? To follow up with their order, or you can tell them how to track their order as it's being shipped. So once you've done that, you just need to click on add history, and yes, you'll be able to see it right here, and you can see under the customer notified section that yes, the customer has been notified. Then the order history is arranged in a descending order, which means the last comment is shown on the top. Okay, so that's it for updating the order status. And if you have any questions, please drop in the comment section. See you.